Oh, we are finally breaking out of the cloud cover, drying out and looking at sunshine. We're going to take you on a camera tour across West Michigan, starting in Muskegon, looking out over Lake Michigan. Here's the view looking out over Ravenna. As you can see, skies have definitely brightened up. Our newest camera view, this is in Wyoming, University of Michigan Health West, looking off to the north. And again, looking out over downtown Grand Rapids, US 131 at the Ford Freeway interchange. Temperatures are well above freezing, so all of that rain yesterday, lingering leftover moisture on the pavement, is going to be wet instead of icy this morning and will really dry out very quickly, the combination of the sunshine and also that brisk westerly wind. Now, we received as much as an inch to almost an inch and a third of rainfall yesterday, and had that been cold enough for snow instead of rain, we typically use a 10-to-1 ratio. 10 inches, 1 inch of rain would equal 10 to 12 inches of snow. So if Sunday's temperatures were cold enough, the moisture could have made at least a foot of snow in many communities. But for winter weather enthusiasts, that sadly was not the case. So today we're drying out with sunshine. 5:18 today is sunset. And by the way, we've added 10 minutes to the end of the day in terms of minutes of daylight. So our earliest sunsets occur in early December at 5:08, and we're now at 5:18 for sunset time. Chance of a little light wintry mix late tonight into early tomorrow, especially south of Grand Rapids, and then light snow later Tuesday night into early Wednesday. That's New Year's Eve into New Year's Day. So we could be looking at some slippery travel conditions developing across parts of West Michigan as well. A look at the overall pattern, very active. We've got two systems on the map here that'll be impacting us. This is the one for later tonight into early tomorrow. And at this point, it looks like the main track takes it to the south of Michigan, the Michigan-Indiana state line. So through Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, and we'll just get brushed here with the northernmost extent of the precipitation. A look at the system from yesterday, that is now moving off to our east and northeast. So big breaks in the clouds, some sunshine today. Clouds quickly increase this evening. And here we go with that moisture early tomorrow morning up to around or just south of the I-96 corridor. Area of snow moving off to our east then very quickly, and that will open the door for that drier air to work back in for much of tomorrow. Then snow showers roll back in late tomorrow night into early Wednesday, and that'll be followed by a return to a sharply colder weather pattern that will take temperatures back into the low 30s on Wednesday for New Year's Day. Upper 20s for highs, lows in the teens to close out the week and into the weekend. And the 8 to 14 day outlook showing the warm air building across the western United States, colder than average temps from the central to the eastern United States, including some really cold air from the mid-Atlantic states and Carolinas down into Florida. Here in West Michigan, this should be a cold enough air mass to bring us several episodes of lake effect snow, and that'll be with us right through at least the middle of January.